Okay, what we're going to be showing you today is how to either set up or change a password in your cPanel email account that you were assigned. I mean, I may have assigned you a temporary password, or you may be setting up a new account on a new server. It works the same either way if you want to change a password. So here's how you do that. You go to your domain, whatever your domain is, don't use mine, and :2095. Okay, and that will bring up this screen. And you type in your email address here, the whole email address, like so, and your password, and then you log in. That takes you to this screen. In this screen, you can very simply just click down here where it says change email password, and you can set it to anything you like. Just type your new password in here twice, and that takes effect immediately. While you're in here, there's a couple other things you can do. You can set an email forwarder, you can set up autoresponders, you can set up a few different things here. You can use Box Trapper to help eliminate spam. But before you use something like this, I learned about it. Now just get back to your email. When you log in the future, let's say if you're off-site, if you're not using your regular email client, you might want to choose one of these three built-in email programs to see your mail right here on webmail. I'd recommend Roundcube. It's the most user-friendly, at least in my opinion. And you have that choice every time you log in. Now, once you've reset your password, you may want to reset your email client, which would be Outlook or Thunderbird or any of those. And you just click here where it says Configure Mail Client. It gives you all the information that you need. It'll give you, for Outlook or for Apple Mail, it'll give you a file that you just double-click and open in that program, and it sets it up for you. Or you can come down and do manual settings here, and it shows you the username that you would type in and the mail server names here. Now right here it says to use port 26 for your email. It defaults to port 25. That works in most cases. If you get one of those errors sending mail that says you can't send mail, it's likely that your ISP, your local ISP, has blocked that port to prevent email relaying. If that's the case, just switch the outgoing port to port 26. And what we're going to do here is then now move over to Mozilla Thunderbird. We happen to have one here. And we're going to set up a new account just to show you how this gets done. Oops, sorry, we have to actually be in Thunderbird to do this. Let's go here. Sorry about that. So here you are in Thunderbird, and you go to Account Settings, and you choose Account Actions to add a mail account. Let's say we're going to add an account for this person that we just set up, and his email address is and we know his password. Okay, so we tell it to continue. That's the password you just set, by the way. We're going to set this up as a POP3, which means that it downloads the mail to your computer instead of keeping it on the server. And we're going to tell it to create the account. What this is a little warning here telling you that the server that the email is on, it has a different name than the one that Notest. So it has the instead of otest.org, the certificate is made out to another group. So we're just going to do this. We're going to say manual config, and we're going to set this. You can see here where it says incoming 110 start TTLS. That's fine. Authentication, auto detector, normal password. You can set it for any of those you like, anything that works in your system. Here where it says outgoing SMTP, this is where you would set either port 25 or port 26, and then you're done. So that's all there is to setting up the program after setting up Thunderbird. And now we have an email program right here. We have an email account for test.otest.org, and that pretty much concludes what we needed to do today.